Are you soon to start a new chapter in your life as a mother? Well, congratulations. Hope you're prepared for all that motherhood has to offer. However, pregnancy can be a smooth ride if you take extra care from the start. Maintaining an active lifestyle throughout pregnancy is crucial for both your health and that of your unborn child. Whether you practice yoga regularly or even go on a complete yoga retreat, it's a particularly beneficial activity for expectant mothers. It not only benefits your physical health, but also your relaxation and ability to control any anxiety. Today I'm going to be sharing a few prenatal yoga poses that will help you. Our first asana is Baddha Konasana or butterfly pose. The practice of Baddha Konasana improves circulation, wakes up the digestive system and helps you unwind. Doing this asana will help tone the kidneys as well. This asana is excellent for pregnant women as it prevents urinary incontinence. Not to miss, it is also beneficial in controlling blood pressure. Now let's get into the postures. Allow your pelvis to lean back. If you want, you can sit on the edge of a cushion, block or folded blankets and let the soles of your feet touch, forming a diamond shape with your legs. Put pressure on the bottoms of your feet. To intensify the stretch, move your feet closer to your hips. Keep your spine as straight as possible and firmly plant your lower body on the floor. Put your hands on your ankles or shins or interlace your fingers beneath your pinky toes. Gently inhale and exhale only through your nose. For up to a minute, maintain this posture. In this position, do not arch your back or sit on your tailbone. Try to tuck your tailbone back and sit more towards your groin. Our last asana for the day is Malasana or the yoga squat pose. As your pregnancy progresses, your body may become more flexible due to hormone relaxation. The finest option for expecting mothers is Malasana. This asana helps strengthen a pregnant lady's lower back and core. It also helps open up the chest, inner thighs and hips. Let's get into the posture. Legs extended in front of you while you sit. Kneel down one at a time, keeping your feet a little wider than hip width apart and close to your seat. Put your weight on your feet and get up from the seat to squat down in a low, broad position. Maintain a straight back while bowing your head in a prayer and placing your hands together between you, allowing your elbows to gently push into the inner edges of your knees. This will release tightness in the hips. Support your sitting bones with a block if this makes you uncomfortable. You can use a blanket under your heels if your heels don't touch the mat. You should press your elbows into your knees. Like I said, send the hips open or the legs open and keep the chest or the torso as tall. Practice this asana once or 2 to 3 times depending on your energy. These yoga poses can assist you in taking good care of yourself and your unborn child during pregnancy. For optimal outcomes, you must practice the mentioned yoga poses. I wish you all the best in your pregnancy journey. Till then,